Welcome back to our channel, Get Cooking Now. Today we will show you how to make this mouth-watering and delicious pickle which is a staple in many Goan households. Our recipe for today is Goan Stuffed Mango Pickle. So let's get started. Step 1. Preparing the raw mangoes. We have taken around 25 raw mangoes for this recipe. These mangoes must be firm and tender, without a fully developed seed. Wash and pat dry the mangoes completely to remove any grime or dirt. Cut each mango carefully into 4 parts lengthwise, ensuring you cut only up to 75 to 80% of the length of the mango. Now carefully remove the seed and discard it. Make sure all the 4 pieces of mango are properly connected at the bottom. We prefer to cut the mango from the thinner side, as the side which is connected to the stem is broader and will be able to hold more masala. Stuff each mango with salt and place them in a clean dry bowl. Leave the mangoes for 5 to 7 days, moving them around once every 2 days. Once you have finished stuffing all the mangoes with salt, place a plastic plate and keep some heavy weight on it to remove the excess water from the mangoes. Cover the container properly and keep it aside in a cool, dry place. Step 2. Checking the raw mangoes. After 2 days, change the position of the mangoes. Remove all the mangoes out and place the mangoes that were on top now at the bottom. This way all the mangoes will change color evenly. You can also throw in a little more salt if required. Cover and put the weights and keep aside.
If you haven't already subscribed to our channel, do subscribe and press the bell icon to receive a notification whenever we upload a new video.
Step 3. Preparing the reserve liquid. After 5 to 7 days, you will notice that the bright green color of the mangoes has changed and become yellowish brown. Remove all the mangoes and place them in a strainer. Then take the salt water that was left behind and strain it properly, making sure not to pour the sediments or particles into the liquid. Keep this reserve liquid aside as it will be required while making the pickle. Discard the sediments or leftover particles. Now on medium heat, boil the reserve liquid until the quantity reduces to half. Then keep it aside to cool down. Step 4. Preparing oil for the pickle. On medium heat, place a pan and add 1 cup or 250 ml of sunflower oil or any other cooking oil. Now add half a cup or 125 ml of mustard oil. Adding oil increases the shelf life of pickle. Once the oil is hot, put off the heat. If not using whole hing, then add half a teaspoon of hing powder in this oil. Keep it aside to cool down. Step 5. Preparing the pickle masala. On medium-low heat, roast 3 tablespoons of natural sea salt on a pan for some time to dry out the moisture. On medium-low heat, in a heavy bottom pan, add 3 tablespoons of sunflower oil. Once the oil is hot, add 10 black peppercorns. Fry them for some time and then remove. Then add quarter teaspoon of fenugreek or methi seeds. Fry them for some time and remove. Take around 1 inch size of whole asafoetida or hing and break it into small pieces. Fry them for some time and then remove. Add 2 tablespoons of mustard seeds. Fry them for some time and remove. Now add 2 tablespoons of mustard dal. Fry it for some time and then remove. Keep all these aside and let them cool down. Once cooled, grind the asafoetida, black pepper, fenugreek seeds and mustard seeds with 1 teaspoon of turmeric or haldi powder. Grind into a coarse paste. Take around 8 Kashmiri red chilies and 8 red bedgi chilies. In a mixer grinder, add all these chilies after breaking them into small pieces and make a coarse powder. Remove this red chili powder in a bowl. Add the roasted salt. Add the mustard dal. Add the ground spices and give it a nice mix. Add around 9 to 10 tablespoons of reserve liquid. Also add 2 to 4 tablespoons of reserve oil. Add the water and oil little at a time to ensure the paste doesn't become watery.
If you found this recipe interesting, do press the like button and share your feedback in the comment section below.
The masala needs to be semi-dry and should hold properly together. Your pickle masala is now ready. Step 6. Stuffing the mangoes. Stuff the mangoes with pickle masala one at a time until you have completed all the mangoes. Step 7. Storing the mango pickle. In a clean, sterilized, completely dry, airtight glass container, place the stuffed mangoes one at a time. Place all the mangoes in the glass container.
If you haven't already subscribed to our channel, do subscribe and press the bell icon to receive a notification whenever we upload a new video.
Start by adding the reserve liquid into the container. Then add the pickle oil. Ensure there is a layer of oil floating over the pickle to preserve it better. Let the pickle mature at least for 15 days before consuming. Store in a cool, dry place. Once matured, it can also be kept in the refrigerator for longer shelf life. And that's it. Your delicious Goan Stuffed Mango Pickle is ready to be enjoyed. If you have any questions or feedback, please write to us in the comment section. Do let us know if you liked this video, and see you soon with another interesting recipe.
Check out our other interesting recipes and do subscribe to our channel if you haven't already. Thank you for watching.